Hello guys and welcome back to CMS Prep. Are you guys preparing for UPSC CMS 25 and you are looking for the best YouTube channel for UPSC CMS? So do not look anywhere. We are going to discuss the best YouTube channel for the preparation of UPSC CMS 2025. So let's go. So for this we have developed some criterias. The criterias are as follows. We are going to discuss the top 10 channels available on YouTube for your UPSC CMS preparation based on these categories. The first one is the general info, the channel which provides all the general information related to UPSC CMS, the channels which provide the preparation ranging from medicine, surgery, pedia, ops, PSM about UPSC CMS, and those channels which discuss about the interview preparation of UPSC CMS. So without further ado, let's move ahead. The first channel is UPSC CMS by Dr. Varun Agrawal. Sir is an excellent teacher. Sir teaches free of cost at his YouTube channel. You can check it out. There are various playlists for the preparation of UPSC CMS. Sir has also discussed about general information about UPSC CMS and also provides coaching, also provides guidance for interview preparation for all the candidates. So definitely guys, you should check out Varun Agrawal sir's YouTube channel. Now moving on to the next channel. The next channel is Dr. Diksha Agrawal ma'am. Diksha Agrawal ma'am is currently serving in Delhi, and she was, I think, the first one to create some videos about UPSC CMS and guide aspirant about it. So ma'am is a very old time YouTuber and has been creating informational video about UPSC CMS. So if you have any doubts related to UPSC CMS, you can definitely check out ma'am's channel. She has also playlist in which she discusses important questions related to UPSC CMS and interview preparation and everything in between. So guys, you should definitely check out ma'am's channel. These are the top two channels. Now let's move on to the other less known channels. The next one is Medicosis Magnus. Medicosis Magnus is a channel not only for UPSC CMS but also for all other medical officer preparation exam like ESIC, RPSC. So all the latest notifications are discussed in this channel. Sir also provides an ebook before the exam, which is of I think 499 rupees, in which you can discuss you can get all the top one liners which are asked in UPSC CMS. And sir has also qualified UPSC CMS, so I think he is a suitable guy for guiding you about UPSC CMS. Let's move on to the next channel. The next channel is Dr. Desk. Dr. Desk is a channel in which you can find various general information related videos and podcasts related to UPSC CMS. Sir has also qualified UPSC CMS and currently is pursuing MS surgery. So you guys can definitely check out Sir channel for other podcast and information related to UPSC CMS. Now let's move on to the next channel. The next channel is Dr. Mukul. Dr. Mukul has recently qualified UPSC CMS and he makes videos regarding the lifestyle, vlogs and work-life balance and everything in between about UPSC CMS. So you guys can check it out for what are the perks and what are the benefits of joining UPSC CMS. The next channel is MedEasy. MedEasy is a great YouTube channel if you want to revise all the previous year question of UPSC CMS. They have provided solution chapter wise, topic wise, and also discuss about NEET PG notifications, which are I think not necessary in this exam, but you can definitely check it out if you want to solve some previous year questions and get information about that. Now let's move on to the next channel, Dr. Simplified. Dr. Simplified is a channel by Dr. Kashyap Razdan. He has qualified UPSC CMS with a great all India rank, and he discusses all the important questions, FAQs and interview tips for UPSC CMS. Sir has not uploaded many videos. Around 12 to 13 videos are available on the channel. So if you want to see them, you can definitely check it out. Now let's move on to the next channel. The next channel is UPSC CMS 2024. So this is an old channel, but yes, this channel discusses all the important tips and tricks related to UPSC CMS. You can also get previous year questions which are solved by sir in this channel. So if you want to revise, you can go to this channel and definitely check it out. Now let's move on to the next channel. The next channel is the Laid Back Doctors. The Laid Back Doctors is an upcoming channel by Dr. Anurag Kumar. He discusses all the pros and cons of UPSC CMS. He has also made a latest video on forensic medicine. So he has covered all the questions that are from forensic medicine being asked in the UPSC CMS. This channel is definitely going to blow up, so you guys can subscribe to this channel and watch out for the upcoming videos. Now let's move on to the last channel. The last channel is Dr. Sunita UPSC CMS 2025. Now let's move on to our last channel, that is Dr. Sunita UPSC CMS 2025. So ma'am is currently posted in Delhi. She is MS Obs Gynae and she has also been selected in UPSC CMS, and she provides coaching to all those aspirants who are interested in UPSC CMS. And she is the wife of Dr. Rajiv sir, who is the publisher, who is the creator of the Prasad book. Best preparation, you can definitely follow ma'am's channel. More videos are coming soon. This is a new channel, so you can definitely subscribe to it. And all the chapters, all the questions being discussed here are chapter wise, topic wise. So this is the new concept, chapter wise, topic wise questions are being discussed in this channel. So if you want to revise that way, you can go to ma'am's channel. So now let's move on to the conclusion. Guys, if you want to seriously prepare for UPSC CMS 2025, I think you should subscribe to all of these 10 channels and push on your notifications so you can get the latest video. Also guys, if you like our videos, you can like, comment, subscribe and follow our channel for latest updates. Our channel is also dedicated for all the UPSC CMS aspirants who are serious about their preparation. In our channel you can find videos ranging from zero to hero. I mean to say, if you don't know anything about UPSC CMS, from there we'll build up you to the interview preparation. So if you want, you can like our channel and comment on it and subscribe to our channel for latest upcoming videos. Thank you guys.